Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to our Christmas house tour. So as you may know or may not know, my birthday falls on the Christmas Eve. So Christmas has always been my favorite festival and I have gone all out this year. So let's start with my OOTD. This is a Christmas jumper that my sister got from Germany last year. It has two little penguins on it and I am the third penguin. Then this little hairband my dad got for me last year as well. Then this Christmas wreath is from a local shop called Raj Beautiful. Very funny name, but it's the best shop and I got most of my Christmas decorations from that shop. And it's really pretty. It has some flowers, berries and this little Merry Christmas sign in the middle. There is some more decorations in my room, but we are going to go out and I'm going to show you the bigger Christmas tree first. So we are in our living room right now. And I'm gonna ask mommy to sit down, kneel down with me. Kneel down with me, kneel down with me. So this is our Christmas tree for this year. It is a fake one, but I really wanted one and it looks very nice, very pretty. So this also I got from Raj Beautiful. And yes, that is a real name. It's a real shop in Kothrood. So I got this Christmas tree from there and lots of little Christmas decorations. We have this big snowflake, some drums, bigger bells, smaller bells, gifts, a little Santa, and this one I'm not sure what this is. This little thing looks like a walnut to me. This is the Christmas ball, then stars. We have one red candy. Here I have one more Merry Christmas sign, and we didn't have a big star, so I just had to put a small star. Hopefully next year I'll have a bigger star or something bigger at the top. But yeah, and these fairy lights I got from Amazon and I have done all the decoration by myself of this Christmas tree. So I'm very proud of it. It's my favorite corner in my house right now. And then over here I've kept some gifts which I couldn't fit on the tree and some bells which actually don't have anything to hang to. So I've kept them over here. Then some candles from last year. But this year I'm definitely going to light them up during Christmas. And my birthday, 24th, Christmas Eve. Here we have a little Santa Claus. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. It has his little jolly, and this Santa Claus actually reminds me a lot of my school because we had a professor who used to dress up as a Santa Claus, and in his little jolly he had chocolates. So he used to come to each classroom and just distribute the chocolates among us. So yeah, my school was really awesome. Let me play it. It's actually a dancing Santa. Okay, that's enough. But yeah, I am a 5-year-old inside. I'm a 5-year-old at heart. So that's that. And then I have one Christmas box over here which is from last year. It is empty. It has nothing in it, but it's so perfect. So I had to keep it like a gift. And yeah, that is our bigger and main tree, my favorite. Okay, and then this side of the living room, our TV area, I have this little sign. These are two bells with these little chan 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 sound which I really like. It's a sign of Feliz Navidad, which I think is Spanish. Merry Christmas in Spanish. Over here we have an award which my dad says is a Filmfare award that Shah Rukh Khan gave him when I was little, and I believed it. But just look at it. Doesn't it look exactly like a Filmfare award? I have no clue from where he got it, but yeah, it's been with us forever. And I've never shown you this little frame, but I don't think a lot of you know, but we had two cats, Tanu and this one is Chakku, and we lost him in 2018, but he's a precious little angel. So we have this frame and this little frame of me when I was a baby, and yeah, I was a lot cuter back then. But yeah, do you think this is the same person? I had a triple chin. Now I only have a double chin. I had a triple chin back then, and I had bluish gray eyes. Now they've become very light brown and ochre. But yeah, this is me. I'm not able to fit it. Okay, and on this side of the living room we have this new lighting which I got from Amazon. It's a bunch of stars and it looks so pretty. My mom's birthday is on December 16th, so this whole time is very festive and birthday time. So we can click some very good pics with this as the background. And this has a lot of settings. Let me show you. Disco lighting, alternate star lighting. This little stand we have a lot of Ganpati Ji, Balaji, lots of elephants, and these little candles from Miniso. They are in the flower shape and they are in the vanilla scent, so it smells really nice. I'm going to light all of this up during my birthday or 25th. Okay, so in my bedroom on the nightstand I have more decorations. So mommy, kneel down again. I have this small little Christmas tree from last year. So I thought I'll do some decorations in my bedroom, and this little decoration of lights I have got from Home Center from the mall. This is the only thing that I got in the mall. That was Tanu. He is our reindeer because I couldn't get any reindeer decoration. So this is yes, my love, you are a favorite. He is more famous than me. Tanu is more famous than me. Yeah, so he is a personal reindeer. And these lights I got from the mall. Baki nothing I got in the mall. Everything is from Raj Beautiful. Raj Beautiful rocks, and shout out to Raj Beautiful. And then I have added these two little stockings over here. And this bigger stocking with this little Santa face. Tanu is disturbing our vlog.
Tanu, sit here like a good boy, okay? Sit here like a good boy. Sit here like a good boy, okay? So sit here like a good boy, please. Okay, so here we have our stocking, a big stocking. Please, don't disturb us.
So yeah, this is our big stocking which I got from Raj Beautiful as well. It has a big Santa Claus on it. And fun fact, I am 22 years old and till this day every year I have put up a Christmas stocking. So my mom gets me really cool and sweet things. Now I get myself whatever I want, but it's still sweet to see what she gets, small little things. So that's why I've added this, and mom has to fill it up till here, everything. It should be overflowing with gifts. And then over here we have this little Santa Claus, which is actually a chocolate. It's a chocolate my sister got from Germany, and I haven't opened it because it is so perfect for Christmas. I'm never going to open it, and it actually doesn't melt at all. So that's cool. It's going to stay there always. And this little Santa cap that we got free with a milk bottle, so that's perfect. This little Christmas candle from Raj Beautiful as well. Smells really nice, going to light up soon. And then over here in this pot I have kept a reindeer. Let me show you. So it's like a reindeer pen, has a bell, so it makes nice chan 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 sound, and it is a ball pen. It's so cute. It's a reindeer because I couldn't find any proper reindeer decoration. So this is a little reindeer pen, but our actual real deer is over here. He's our little reindeer for this year. Yeah, yes, he's a little reindeer.
बस बहुत footage हो गया उसका.
Okay, so on this side of my bedroom, on my vanity, I have added these two little Santa caps and this Santa stocking which has a Santa in it and a pink butterfly. It's very cute, and I just bought so many things that I didn't have any place, so I added them over here so that whenever I'm getting ready I feel very nice and festive. I just love looking at any Christmas decorations, so I went all out this year. Hi guys, so I am at my Maushi's place right now, and we were shopping together for the Christmas decorations. So because of me, she also got inspired and she bought a Christmas tree over there, and she's done all this beautiful lighting. So I'm going to show you. This is the Diwali wala lighting with chocolates. She has attached chocolates to it, which is such a cute touch. Then on this corner we have the Christmas tree. So it's a nice medium-sized Christmas tree with lots of decoration and stars, bells, Santa. And these magical diyas, if you've seen my Diwali vlog, then you know she gifted me these magical diyas. And then she has one Christmas tree that she made by herself today. So cute. And then she has also got this Santa, जो dance करता है. I showed you. So this is my Maushi. Say hi to the vlog. Hi.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hooray! Perfect. घाबरतच नाहीये तो आज. अरे यार, he is so sleepy. वो नहीं डर रहा, वो नहीं डर रहा, वो नहीं डर रहा. Oh, Dugu! So cute, Dugu! Dugu is a very brave, huh?
So that completes my Christmas house tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and New Year and this amazing time of the year, my favorite time of the year. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Merry Christmas!